In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kapwing to generate and translate subtitles. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create accurate captions from your audio and convert them into another language, all inside one editor. First, open Kapwing in your browser. On the home page, click Start Editing to create a new project. From here, bring your video into the editor in the way that's most convenient for you. You can upload a video file from your computer, paste a link from a site like YouTube or TikTok, or pull it in from your connected media cloud. If your file is large, give it a moment to process. That's normal. With the video on your canvas, look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Subtitles tab. This is where you'll create and manage captions. Choose Auto Subtitles, sometimes labeled Magic Subtitles, and then set the language that's spoken in your video as the input language. Picking the correct input language is important for accuracy, especially if there are accents or mixed vocabulary. When you confirm, Kapwing will run AI transcription and generate a full transcript with timed caption lines aligned to your audio. Once the subtitles appear, take a thorough pass to review them. Play the video and read along, correcting any transcription errors you spot. Fix names, numbers, and brand terms, add punctuation where it helps clarity, and adjust capitalization so it looks professional. If a caption feels too long, split it into shorter lines to make reading easier. You can also fine-tune timing by dragging the edges of a caption segment so it appears a little earlier or lingers just long enough to be read comfortably. Aim for a natural rhythm. Viewers should never have to pause to catch a line. When your base subtitles look good, you're ready to translate. In the subtitle editor, look for the Translate option and select the target language you want. Kapwing will translate the existing captions automatically while keeping the original timing. After translation, proofread the new subtitles carefully. Automatic translation can stumble on slang, idioms, or technical jargon. Keep proper nouns consistent and tweak phrasing so it sounds natural to native speakers. If a translated line becomes much longer, consider tightening the wording so the reading speed stays comfortable. Also check special characters and accents to make sure they display correctly. That's the complete workflow. Upload your video, auto-generate subtitles, review and refine, then translate and proofread. Follow these steps and you'll have clear, readable captions in multiple languages, ready to share.